Now I'm going to show you how you can see the satellite images on Google Maps on iPhone. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the first step is to, of course, open up the Google Maps app. So I have the latest version right here. I can get inside and this is just a random place on the map. It's not where I live. I don't have like any location services enabled, but the point is that you can zoom in on whichever place you want. And in order to change the view, you have some abilities to do it, but the most important button is this one right here, which is kind of looking like a couple of layers on the top of each other. So let me just zoom it in to show you what it looks like. So this is the button which I'm talking about, and it's right here in this portion of the display. So what you need to do is to click on it, of course, and it's going to give you the ability to choose the map type. So by default we have the default type, which is okay, but you can switch to the satellite. Right, and as you can see, we have the satellite images of the city, so I can go into the downtown and see what it looks like from above. I can see like the parking lot or whatever else I'm kind of like looking for. So that's the whole point behind it. That's how you can manage this, and you can as well switch it to the terrain and see if there are like any mountains. You would be able to see like, you know, this kind of like 3D lines of the higher points of the map. So you have plenty of ways to play around with it, and also some extensions below like the traffic and transit options and so on. So that's how you can manage it inside of the Google Maps. I really hope that I was able to help you out with it. I don't want to make the videos any longer than they need to be. So if you like this approach, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads as well.